welcome to a new video where I will be unboxing a jewellery subscription box. Again, I've got a couple of these up already from the past couple of months, so let's open this one, shall we? Again, like last time, it's just one bag, so I think that's like the direction we're now going in. So I've just opened up and you can see exactly what I can see from just opening it. So let's go through the bag, shall we? Firstly, we have this silver necklace with, let's back to front for you, these stars. I don't know if their quality is picking up for you, but they're like really pretty. It's a very delicate kind of necklace. Next we have this gold ring. Now I don't think it's very light. There's like a couple, I don't know if it's picking up, but it's just like, don't know if it's showing you how light it is, but it's kind of like rough made, if that makes sense. As I said, it's very light, but it's I can feel like a kind of roughness on it when it's on. I'd be very worried about this snapping, knowing me, if I loved it and I was wearing it all the time, because of like how thin and light it is. I'd be really worried about that. And the last item of the three are these like pearl drop earrings. I'm saying pearl, I'm going to gather they are not actual pearls, as this is not a luxury brand. Let's have a look at these properly. So I'm going to say they're like obviously not proper pearls. I wouldn't wear proper pearls anyway. I really like the hook shape on these, actually. Really like this. It's not picking up for you though, is it? That's pretty. Just to show you the pearl drops, like they sit so nice. So obviously we have like the necklace. I think it's a bit of an overrated necklace, like silver stars. Like last box I got something that was like I think I got a silver star necklace, and yeah, so it's kind of like, how many silver necklaces does one need, you know, silver star necklaces? Honestly, as I said, because I love my silver, I love my stars, I love my silver stars, okay, especially in a necklace. So I think I'm just like going like a bit overboard, and could like have too many silver star necklaces personally. The ring, I have noticed that it's like adjustable here in the middle, but then if you like look at this, it's not like, can you see it's not like set right? And I've tried to like fiddle around with the middle to try and put it right, but as you can see, it's just like not sitting right. Maybe I can get someone to get it to sit right, but I just don't think it suits me anyway, which is a shame, because I do want to incorporate some more gold into my jewelry if possible. Here is just like summary of everything. Please like this video if you want to see more. I love doing my subscription boxes for you, and please subscribe so you can see more.